Common sections of the annual report. And what should be the chronology of reading the annual report? Nowadays, most of the companies give their annual reports in a PDF form on your mail. Earlier, most of the annual reports used to come in hardbound pages. Even today, you can request the registrar and the investor relations cell of the company to courier you a copy of the annual report if you are a listed shareholder. The annual report of the company broadly divided into around 6 or 7 sections. First is audit report, director's report, reports on corporate governance, internal controls, the financial statements, the P&L, profit or loss statement and its schedule, balance sheet and its schedules, cash flow and its schedules, notes to accounts, key notes to accounts being segmental reporting, related party transactions, audit report, financial statements and notes to accounts shall be in most cases on a standalone basis and on a consolidation basis. If the company has any subsidiaries or any majority investments, then it is mandated that the company publish standalone results as well as consolidated results. The consolidated results being a summation of the standalone results plus the results of the subsidiary. So the audit report and the financial statements would be for standalone and for consolidated. Beyond this, there is a section in the annual report which we refer to as management discussion or analysis. It is a management representation or management view on the annual report or on the business per se. Analyzing financial and management decisions over past years is more important than future projections, and often investors forecast way too high and analyze too little. Let's say a typical annual report would be a 200-page document, and a person may struggle as to what should be the chronology of reading. No investor will have as much time to go through 200 or 300 pages of the annual report from point to point. Based on the common operating knowledge in the industry, I have come up with a brief sequencing in which annual reports need to be read. The sequencing is as follows. First, cash flow statement, followed by balance sheet, profit or loss statement, segmental results, followed by related party transactions, notes to accounts, the audit report. Within the audit reports, the key audit points, the emphasis of matter and the management response, management discussion analysis at the way end, followed by the director's report and the corporate governance report. Whether we should read standalone first or whether we should read consolidated results first. From an investor perspective, it is always relevant to read consolidated results first, followed by standalone. From a banker's perspective to a standalone entity, it always makes sense to read first the standalone as compared to the consolidated, because the primary exposure of the bank may be on the standalone results and that may be the primary source of repayment.